today's video is very dear to my heart because I have had people ask that I share with them how I make Ghanaian light soup. So in today's video, I'm sharing this recipe with you. And then if you are in Europe and then you want your kwan to taste exactly like the Ghanaian version, please do not skip this video. So I have with me here my chicken, my ginger, garlic, some pepper, onion, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, and then my turkey berry. So stay tuned for more. So I know this is work because after everything you have to properly clean your gas, but hey, who cares? When you want that perfect Ghanaian light soup, you might go extra mile for anything. Yeah. So just look at that. I will just add lime to it and then let it sit for a while and then properly clean it. By doing so, you are removing any of aroma from the chicken. Yeah. Very important to season your chicken well, and in this case I don't know how large your soup is, so always season your chicken depending on the quantity of your soup. So just because I always add my seasoning and then blend it all together before adding it to my chicken, I'll be showing you how I do it. So yeah, I'll add my chicken seasoning. Yeah, and I'll add complete seasoning.